Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link Shopify store to your TikTok account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply for this goes, we will need just to add an integration or an application that will allow us to connect our Shopify store or allow us to connect our TikTok account with our Shopify store. And whenever we want to install any application, we simply need to go to Sales Channels and Applications. So from here, you click on the apps, then go to Apps and Sales Channel Settings, and then we will find the Shopify App Store. We click on it, and basically from here, you will be able to see all the application. If you don't see it in the popular with stores like yours from here, you can just simply search for TikTok, and as you can see, we will find this TikTok shop. So make sure to avoid these that are not some TikTok official applications, and make sure to use, it's better to use the TikTok incorporation or official integrations. So I'm going to click on install, and then we will wait for the page to load. You click on install again, and then we will start the process of connecting our TikTok account when the installation would end. So from here, we have our TikTok that has been installed, and from now you can start adding TikTok marketing. So continue setup. You will need just to connect your TikTok business account with your uh, here. So either you can click on login with TikTok, you add your account from here or using that, and then you will be simply able to connect your account, and then you finish the setup and click on finish setup, and you will have your account connected successfully. Thank you for watching and see you next time.